Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts, and I'm sitting in another part of my house and I'm doing the reading. It's very hot here, summertime. Let's see what are the messages for you, okay? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing good, so that means the relationship is going good. It doesn't have to be bad always, isn't it? See, the other person is working extra hard to keep you happy, and it says come to the edge. You're also testing your lover. It's a, you're trying to see if they will follow you, or in difficult times they will be with you. Some kind of a testing is being done here. This is so beautiful. But come to the edge is also saying that the efforts, extra efforts will be put. They will be where you are, they'll follow you where you go, and they will always stand by you, are the messages that I get. Number 9 is important because we've got a 3 and 6 here. 3, 6, 9 are beautiful numbers for me always. Flexible, so yes. I don't know why, but I feel you testing them if they are like going to be in your life, some kind of, or you're just seeing, maybe it's the beginning of a relationship, that how much effort they put, and I definitely feel they are going to put in a lot of effort, that you were testing. And I feel if you have to change your job, change your place, they will be very flexible also. I feel the person you are with is very accommodating. TikTok, something about a time. Maybe this is the time, or maybe this is the time for you to prove or them to prove their love. Proof doesn't mean like a testing time, deliberately testing the other person, but yes, maybe the time is difficult, and it is now. Maybe you want them to act now because you want them to come to the edge, to risk things. Risk doesn't mean fall off the cliff, but yes, tomorrow if you have to go somewhere, tomorrow if you need them, or some kind of a situation that arises, you just want to see that will they be there or not. So you're trying to see how much they are in love with you, and you also need I feel the other message that I'm getting is the person has to act now. It could be that the time is slipping away from their hands. They have to show that they are flexible, or they can be accommodating, and they also can make changes in their life like you have. So something, they need to act fast. I also feel need to act fast, okay? They have to act fast, otherwise time is slipping away, and it's not really good. And they have to do something either to gain trust. Okay, that's not the message I get. Either to gain your trust, either to win you back, or to prove that they are really in love with you. Yeah, because here you've got orphaned. Maybe recently you feel they're not doing enough. They've left you in the middle, like of nowhere, and there is nothing happening. And you've been feeling orphaned because you've got a 3 here, you've got a 3 here. No, sorry, it's a 5 here. So you could be a May born, you could be a March born, or there could be a May or a March born. But definitely you feeling lonely here, you feel time is ticking away. Maybe they have to make a decision about the relationship, or you want them to take a stand about the relationship. But this should happen now, because time is a crucial factor, I feel, between you two, and either they have to decide something or you have to decide something. Chop wood when you want to start clean with someone, or you want to decorate something, or you are making place for something. The doors are open, it's shining, it's like restarting your life together. And maybe you've taken a big decision, they've taken a big decision, so the other one has to be like has to stand with the other person, and maybe that is the testing time for both of you. This is exchanging gifts. This is beautiful. So some of you will exchange gifts. Maybe some kind of a celebration is coming up. There's a fork in the road. You got to know where you go. You want to know where you stand, or where do you have to go. I think a lot depends on this decision, or you are making some kind of a decision that is needed to be made now, because time is of utmost importance right now. Time is coming out quite a bit. Your energy is pretty high. You have been handling the situation, being very sensitive to it. Right now what's happening, or probably look at this, both of you have to be together. This is testing time. The yin and the yang came together, counterparts, or yin and yang, black and white, or seeing things in the other person's way. I think one of you needs to be flexible and see the problem through other person's eyes, or step into their shoes. There's something that needs to be taken, a decision needs to be taken together as a couple. Okay, that's another important thing that I get. You've got to take this decision together. It can't be just one person's decision. That's a beautiful energy and a beautiful thing, because it, to restore balance or to keep balance in the relationship, both need to be flexible, both need to be caring, accommodating. I'm getting, one of you has to make an adjustment, and I don't know which one is it, but that's how the balance will be there. And why, a lot of whys, a lot of questions, testing time. I feel it's a testing time, you know, when you have whys, it's like doing your exam or giving a paper, and a lot of whys are happening, you know, why should we do this? And it's more like a we, it's a decision that will affect you both, is what I am getting, you know. That's like the major thing today. Yeah, unfinished symphony between two people. Or maybe there was a time when you wanted them to be there and they could not be there, or it could be vice versa. But this is unfinished symphony. I mean, you still need to be together and do things together. That's why the yin and the yang. You both also yearn to be together, and you will make things happen. You will mend things, you know, between the both of you. Because unfinished symphony means, I mean, there's still more to the relationship. Look at this regeneration. Something is going to restart. Somebody is going to take a risk with the other one. Somebody is going to make an extra effort to make the relationship work, to go an extra mile, because this needs a new beginning. This needs new energy. There's regeneration. Look at the energy, you know. It's like the tree needs food to grow, you know. Both have to make an effort in the relationship. Wow, this is such a beautiful reading, guys. All that glitters. So this is all about testing, you know. It's just showing that whatever you just look at, it's not necessarily that it will be like that. I don't know why, but one of you, why is the other person testing? Okay, or maybe these are testing times. When they are testing times and the face comes, the mask comes off the face, and you know what the person really wants, or you know, is the person going to be there, you know, forever or not. You've got a message in the bottle, number 6 again. Yeah, so beautiful. Message in the bottle. Somebody is going to send you a beautiful message, or there's a message that's coming for you which is important. It's like also a delivery, you know, when something, I mean, when a crane delivers something, is it one of you will get a message, or the news that you're pregnant, or there's a baby coming in the family. The yang again. Okay, I just put it back. You've got time to take a nap, time to relax. Also number 6 again. 6 also is very important. Okay, a lot of 6 is coming right now. So number 6 is also important. Time to take a nap, rest. Round and round. Some situation is making you go round and round, and you do not know what to do with it. Spirit guides, please give me a message. I knew this card would come out. It had to come out. It's mending. Look at this, guys. There is a relationship that needs mending. It's a relationship that needs adjustment. Both of you to understand what needs to be done. What a beautiful reading, guys. I just love it. Let's see if your name or your title is there, it's fine. But I'm going to take out 6 zodiac signs today. Let's see. You've got Scorpio. You've got Aries. You've got Gemini. Scorpio, Aries, Gemini, 3 more. You've got Capricorn. You've got Cancer. You've got Libra. So if your name or the starting of the letter is not there, zodiac sign is there, anything is there or not there, if the messages are resonating, anyway you came here because of the, it matches your name begins with, but these zodiac signs will anyway help you. So definitely mending of a relationship which you were going round and round in. That will stop and things will be mended before you, will be mended. Look at this, High Priestess, intuition. Your intuition is telling you things will be fine, okay? This is almost like balance. Look at this, black and white, yin and yang. That's what we've been getting. Both pillars to hold a building. So both pillars to run a relationship, you know. There can be no relationship like that without, both of you mending it together. Yeah, look at this end card, happy, happy. You've got happy, happy in the end. I mean, the end result is happiness, and that's what you're going to get. You're going to get happiness from the relationship, okay? I'm getting the letter M strongly, okay? Very strong M. Could be your name or their name, could be beginning with it, but there's happiness, stars, destiny, meant to be together. This is again the card that came out in my hand. Just one more. I don't know why I can't close the reading. Maybe there's one more card. There's peace. Peace in the relationship is most important. You both want peace in the relationship. So those were my messages. Take care. Enjoy yourself. Bye. I'll be back again with another reading. I hope you enjoyed my reading. Bye, guys.